To set up Monday.com groups, start by logging into your Monday.com account and navigating to the workspace where you want to create a group. A group in Monday.com is a collection of users who can be assigned to tasks and projects, making it easier to manage workflows and collaborate with team members. First, click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the screen and select Workspace Settings from the drop-down menu. Then, click on the Groups tab and select Create a Group. Enter a name for your group and add a description to help others understand the purpose of the group. Next, add members to your group by typing their names or email addresses in the Add Members field. You can also add entire teams or departments to a group by selecting them from the drop-down menu. Once you have added all the members, click Create Group to finalize the setup. After creating a group, you can assign it to pulses and workflows, allowing you to track progress and collaborate with group members more efficiently. You can also customize the group settings to control what members can see and do within the group. Best practices for setting up Monday.com groups include keeping groups organized and up to date, using clear and descriptive names, and limiting group size to ensure effective communication and collaboration. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up Monday.com groups that streamline your workflow and improve team productivity. It is also important to regularly review and update group membership to ensure that the right people have access to the right information. This will help prevent confusion and errors, and ensure that your team is working efficiently and effectively. With Monday.com groups, you can simplify your workflow and focus on what matters most, achieving your goals and objectives.